Welcome to Nuance Art. Today, we're diving into a stunning tour of a breathtaking coastal home that's a true celebration of nature. This home is not just built by the coast. It feels like it's part of the landscape itself, with architectural design that honors natural beauty in every way. Imagine stepping into a living space where the indoors blend seamlessly with the outdoors, a place where each room offers serene ocean views, framed by large windows, and sustainable, nature-inspired materials are around every corner. This is more than a home, it's a work of art, and we'll explore how this masterpiece achieves that. If you love home design and dream of spaces that blur the line between indoor and outdoor living, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave us a comment with your favorite design idea. We'd love to hear your thoughts. The heart of this home's design lies in its seamless flow between indoor and outdoor spaces. With large floor-to-ceiling glass panels, the natural light filters into every room, creating an open and airy atmosphere that's as relaxing as it is visually striking. These glass doors and windows do more than just offer a view. They create a sense of unity between the home and the environment. When they're open, the space transforms, letting in gentle coastal breezes and natural sounds. This connection is enhanced by a continuation of materials. Flooring extends from the living room to the patio, creating a seamless, uninterrupted flow. This approach blurs the boundaries, and you can feel it's a design where you're always close to the natural world, yet comfortably sheltered. Perfect for anyone who cherishes tranquility, this home embodies the very essence of coastal living. One of the defining elements of this coastal home is its use of earth-inspired materials, chosen to harmonize with the surrounding landscape. The designers opted for natural stones, raw wood, and organic textures, which not only provide a beautiful aesthetic, but also ground the structure in its coastal setting. Stone walls add a feeling of durability, while reclaimed wood brings a warm, rustic appeal that softens the space and makes it feel inviting. These materials age gracefully over time, weathering with nature and gaining character rather than losing appeal. By choosing sustainable, organic materials, the home becomes part of the natural life cycle, and in return, it respects the environment. This design approach speaks to anyone passionate about eco-friendly construction, making a strong case for homes that are as kind to nature as they are beautiful to look at. The living room is truly the heart of this coastal home, with a design that invites relaxation and contemplation. Imagine plush, low-profile seating facing expansive glass walls that open directly onto an ocean view terrace. It's a room that encourages you to slow down, take a deep breath, and truly enjoy the surrounding beauty. Earth-toned furniture and minimalist decor keep the room from competing with the view, letting the outdoors become the central feature. Here, the focus is on comfort and connection with each other, and with the world beyond. Soft, natural fabrics and neutral colors allow the light to shift gently throughout the day, creating a calming ambience that evolves as the sun moves. This is the perfect place for quiet mornings or lively evenings, where every moment feels connected to the world outside. The kitchen in this coastal home combines functionality with elegance, using natural materials that bring warmth and texture into the space. Featuring stone countertops, handcrafted wooden cabinetry, and stainless steel fixtures, it's a blend of modern luxury and rustic charm. But what really makes this kitchen unique is its commitment to sustainable living. Energy-efficient appliances and natural ventilation options align with the home's eco-friendly values. Cooking here feels more like a mindful experience than a daily chore, as large windows bring in ample natural light and provide spectacular views of the coast. Every detail is carefully considered to ensure the kitchen is as beautiful as it is practical, making it a perfect space for those who love to cook while feeling close to nature. In this home, bedrooms are designed as sanctuaries where rest and nature come together. With panoramic windows overlooking the ocean, each bedroom embraces the natural surroundings, allowing light and views to take center stage. Neutral, calming colors are paired with natural fibers and soft linens, making each bedroom feel like a peaceful retreat from the world. Adding to this tranquility, carefully selected art and decor bring a touch of coastal influence without overpowering the simplicity of the space. It's an environment where you wake up to the gentle sound of waves and go to sleep under starlit skies. In these bedrooms, nature is never more than a glance away, creating a serene space for restful nights and rejuvenating mornings. The bathrooms in this coastal home redefine relaxation, with designs inspired by nature to create a spa-like experience. Stone, wood, and water come together to create a soothing ambience. Large, open shower spaces and freestanding bathtubs positioned near windows offer beautiful ocean views, letting you unwind in luxury while surrounded by nature. Everything from the color palette to the choice of materials creates a space where you can leave the stresses of the day behind. The bathroom's open layout and natural light bring a sense of tranquility and rejuvenation. Whether it's a morning routine or an evening soak, these bathrooms transform daily rituals into moments of peace and relaxation. One of the most captivating elements of this coastal home is its outdoor spaces, which are designed to enhance the experience of coastal living. Expansive patios and decks, comfortable outdoor seating, and sustainable landscaping work together to invite homeowners and guests alike to enjoy the outdoors. Each area is designed to flow naturally from the indoors, creating spaces for dining, lounging, and entertaining. Native plants and carefully chosen foliage blend with the natural terrain, while pathways and stone features add structure without disrupting the natural beauty. The outdoors becomes an extension of the home, a place to enjoy sunsets over the ocean or quiet moments of reflection. This design approach encourages an immersive connection with nature, giving everyone a front row seat to the beauty of the coast. Sustainability is at the core of this home's design, and it's not just about the materials, it's a philosophy. The house uses renewable energy sources like solar panels and incorporates energy-efficient windows to minimize the ecological footprint. Water-saving fixtures and efficient waste management systems ensure that every aspect of the home supports an eco-friendly lifestyle. The goal here is not only to create a beautiful home, but also a responsible one. This coastal retreat is designed to be part of the solution for a sustainable future, setting an example of how luxury and environmental mindfulness can coexist. For those inspired by eco-conscious design, this home is a remarkable illustration of what's possible when we consider nature in every choice we make. And there you have it, a journey through a coastal home that seamlessly merges with nature. This masterpiece of design is more than a place to live. It's a harmonious connection between architecture and the environment. Each room, each material, and each view is a reminder of the beauty of the natural world, crafted to bring peace and inspiration to its inhabitants. If you enjoyed this tour and are inspired by homes that honor nature, don't forget to subscribe to Nuance Art for more content like this. We'd love to hear what you think of this incredible design, so please like this video, leave us a comment, and share it with friends who dream of coastal living. Until next time, keep embracing the art of design, and thank you for watching.